Your videos can be absolute masterpieces, but without a clickable thumbnail, YouTube buries them. That's the painful truth no creator wants to hear. And to prove it, look at these thumbnails on the screen right now. All of them, every single one, would stop one mid-scroll. That is the difference between ignored and clicked. Now here's what's crazy. All of these thumbnails were made in under 5 minutes. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make thumbnails at this level, even if you have zero design skills. Stick with me because I'm also revealing a thumbnail feature which will blow your mind. That part is coming later, and you do not want to miss it. But first, let me tell you why thumbnails completely control your views. A thumbnail isn't decoration. It's your entire pitch compressed into a single image. People scroll insanely fast. They don't read. They don't think. They just react. You get less than 1 second to grab attention. 1 second to win the click. 1 second to stand out among thousands of videos competing on the same screen. And here's the formula most creators still don't understand. A better thumbnail boosts your CTR, which pulls more views, ultimately resulting in more growth. YouTube does not recommend the best videos. It recommends the most clickable ones. So if you want to grow, if you want more watch time, more subs, more revenue, everything starts with the thumbnail. And in about 30 seconds, I'll show you the exact tool and the exact workflow I use to make viral thumbnails fast. But stay with me, because the real magic is at the end. A feature so powerful, it feels unfair. Go to Supabix and click Create Your Thumbnail. Here you'll see 5 features: text to thumbnail, multi-image edit, recreate, face swap, and edits. We'll start with recreate. Here's how I recreated a Mr. Beast thumbnail I liked. I copied the link of the thumbnail, pasted it into the tool, clicked Fetch Thumbnail, then use this image. From here you can choose whether you want the creativity level to be high or low. Low creativity lightly enhances the original design. High creativity makes strong, eye-catching changes without completely losing the original look and feel. And you can also select the style you want: default, realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with default style. Click Generate, and you instantly get your recreated Mr. Beast style thumbnail. Next, let's move to face swap. Let's say I want to replace Ronaldo's face with Mr. Beast's. Upload the thumbnail, select Mr. Beast's face, click Save and Continue, then upload Ronaldo's face. Click Generate, and you get your thumbnail with Ronaldo's face swapped in perfectly. Now let's move to text to thumbnail. You can either write a detailed prompt yourself or get a prompt from an AI tool like ChatGPT. Give your prompt to Supabix: a 16:9 landscape, 9:16 portrait, 1:1 square, or a 4:5 portrait classic layout. Since we're making a YouTube thumbnail, we'll go with the 16:9 landscape option. Then select your style: realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with the realistic style. Click Generate and watch it bring your idea to life. Here's the prompt that created this thumbnail. Next, let's go to edits. Let's say I want to change the scene from day to night and add a helicopter with a spotlight shining on the people. I upload the thumbnail, describe the changes I want, and Supabix applies them accurately and cleanly. Finally, we go to the multi-image edit feature. Upload your target image, then upload the reference image, describe how you want them merged, and the tool blends them seamlessly and perfectly. This is how you make thumbnails that feel dynamic, custom, and impossible for other creators to replicate. It's honestly a cheat code. At the end of the day, your thumbnail is the single biggest factor controlling your growth. Not your edits, not your mic, not your camera, not your upload schedule. It's your thumbnail. Master this skill, and everything else becomes 10 times easier. And always remember, You're only one thumbnail away from blowing up.